Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to know if someone is tracking you on Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are free into this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone settings. So click on here to open up your phone settings. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you go to Google right here. Click on Google. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on all services. Then it's going to take you right here. Then scroll down all the way down and make sure you look for on no tracker alerts. So click on that. Then it take you right here. First thing first, make sure you enable this button. Then having enabled this button, Bluetooth require receive or no tracker alert, turn on Bluetooth. Simply click on here. So you can simply Google Play service want to turn on Bluetooth. Click on allow. And it's going to be turned on. Then the next thing you can do here is to simply click on scan now. So allow it to scan successful and you will know if someone is tracking your movement with just your Android phone. So just like so, and as at the time of making this video, there was no tracker detected. But if someone is tracking you and monitoring your movement, you will see their details right here. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to know if someone is tracking you on your Android phone and how you can simply detect them and disconnect them from your Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.